Credit card versus debit card. What's the difference? Credit card and debit card typically look almost identical, with 16-digit card numbers, expiration dates, magnetic strip, and EMV chip. Both can make it easy and convenient to make purchases in stores or online, with one key difference. Debit card allow you to spend money by drawing on funds you have deposited at the bank. Credit card allow you to borrow money from the card issuer up to a certain limit to purchase item or withdraw cash. You probably have at least one credit card and one debit card in your wallet. The convenience and protection that they offer are hard to beat, but they have important differences that could substantially affect your pocketbook. Here's how to decide which one to use to meet your spending needs. A credit card is a card issued by a financial institution, typically a bank, and it enables the cardholder to borrow funds from that institution. Cardholders agree to pay the money back with interest according to the institution terms. Credit cards are issued in the following variety of categories. Standard cards simply extend a line of credit to their user for making purchases, balance transfer, and/or cash advances, and they often have no annual fee. Premium card offers perks such as concierge services, airport lounge access, special event access, and more, but they usually have higher annual fees. Rewards card offer cashback, travel points, or other benefits to customers based on how they spend. Balance transfer cards have low introductory interest rate and fees on balance transfer from another credit card. Secure credit cards require an initial cash deposit that is held by the issuer as collateral. Chart cards have no preset spending limit but often don't allow unpaid balances to carry over from month to month. Credit card user can reap cash, discount, travel points, and many other perks unavailable to debit card holder by using reward cards. Reward cards can be applied on a flat rate basis or at tiered rates. For example, you might have a card that offers unlimited 2 miles per dollar on purchases and another that offers 3 miles per dollar for travel spending, 2 miles per dollar for dining, and 1 mile per dollar for everything else. You could then use miles earned to book future travel arrangements. When choosing reward cards, pay attention to whether rewards can expire and what options you have for redeeming them. Pros of using credit card. Credit cards can offer certain advantages over debit cards, though they can also have some downside. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of spending with credit cards. Build credit history. Credit card use is reflected on your credit report. That includes positive history such as on-time payment and low credit utilization ratios, as well as negative items such as late payment or delinquencies. Your credit report information is then used to calculate your credit score. Responsible spenders can raise their score with a history of expenditures and timely payment, and by keeping their card balance low relative to their card limits. Many credit card companies offer free credit score monitoring and tracking as a card perk, so you can keep an eye on your progress when building credit. Warranty and purchase protection. Some credit cards also may provide additional warranties or insurance on purchased items that go beyond those that the retailer or brand is offering. For example, if an item bought with a credit card becomes defective after the manufacturer's warranty has expired, it is worth checking with the credit card company to see if it will provide coverage. Or you may have purchase and price protection built in to help you either replace items that are stolen or lost, or even prices differences when the item that you purchased is sold elsewhere for less. Fraud protection. As long as the customer reports the loss or theft in a timely manner, their maximum liability for purchases made after the card disappeared is $50. The Electronic Fund Transfer Act gives debit card customers the same protection from loss or theft, but only if the customer reports it within 48 hours of discovery. After 48 hours, the card user liability rises to $500. After 60 days, there is no limit. Thank you.